right, here. I'll cover it like this. Oh shoot, I gotta open that door for you. Hey! Hey!
They bursted through the door and just blasted my arm while I was trying to get a frag through there.
Yeah.
Is that how you guys got in this school? Just there? Matthew, was that you?
Yes, it was.
What?
I'm gonna make you radio man.
Got a dead man over there.
Okay, I need to do a radio check to make sure this is working.
Someone's on the radio.
Radio check, radio check, radio check.
Alright, I'm covering you, I'm covering.
Hey, Matthew, what's the spot?
No, Aaron's healing, guys. We got 2 friendlies just killed right there.
Do you want to get in there or frag it? Let's frag it. Ready?
Hook it around. Hook it around.
That's what I tried to do the first time.
Ready?
Frag out!
Get your gun up. Gun up. Fucking going up?
These things have been hit and miss before.
Get your foot against the door. Get around. So I can hook it in. You ready? On my open. Go, go, go!
Covering.
Hey, we need guys in here!
Alright, do you want to watch this corner? Alright, coming in.
Here, let Kristen. Hey, Joe, ready? Command's wrong with anything?
And do it for command.
You're not the right channel. You're not the right channel. Fuck!
Okay, ready? Oh. Hey, we got stairs.
This is the tunnel. Hey guys, it's the tunnel.
And do it for command. We are entering the tunnels. Over.
Go. Just where you're at, point. Okay, flashlight.
Did someone grab my thunder beat?
Got it.
We got the thunder bee.
Okay, tell me when you do that.
Guys, we have contact down here. Not sure if it's friendly. Austin,
Purple.
I'll let you take her. Shut the fuck up. They all regard us a challenge. Shut up. Chris,
Hey Joe, radio command asking we got anyone coming up from the south of the tunnel to the north.
One down.
Come out! And over for command, do we have anyone coming up from the south in the tunnels in the school?
they're Wolverines.
Hit!
Hey, grenade!
Say it again, over.
Getting a grenade, man.
Oh, fuck!
Oh, that hurt.
You okay, dude?
That fucking hurt right in the face, man.
Oh, I got one of the
Good grenade. Good grenade.
I'm busy. Okay.
I don't know what you're shooting with, but that's pretty hot, man.
Oh, that's a whole one. You need small ones.
Sorry.
Oh, that hurt.
Here you go, Chris, for Sean.
Huh? You think you're missing a tooth?
I thought I chipped a tooth. Okay, I'm gonna get my gun up, okay?
I can't radio command.
Okay, we're gonna be down here anyways. Okay.
There, Matt, there's a bottle at your feet.
You guys, if you got dead drinks, put them on. Are you guys all dead?
Just shove them in your pocket until they drink stuff.
Alright, how many of you are there?
2 down.
2 down?
2 down.
Do you want to move to the side so we don't shoot you by accident?
We're right here. We're going right here.
Okay. Okay. Thanks. Oh, there's a light down there. Admin. Don't shoot. Hey.
Anyone see my tornado?
All right, sounds like we've got contact down there. We got contact down there.
Can we someone cover the 6? Matthew, can you cover our 6? Make sure he comes down out.
Yeah, you punch my arm.
I'm gonna move in on the right side.
Hey, who else has a light? I think I got one. Okay.
Dude, this is like at the start of Star Wars Episode 4.
Hey, Aaron, you and me, let's go down. Chris, you take our 6?
Hey. What if we slide a Thunder Bee all the way down there?
What?
What if we slide a Thunder Bee all the way down?
I don't think we're gonna get it down that far. Dude, that's like 100 feet.
That's true. Okay. Do you want me to take point?
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Fucking kill anyone who comes around that corner. Slow down, slow down. Red!
Shoot my grenades already. Purple!
If you're red, come out and hands up! Need some of them!
All dead?
Dead man, put your hands up! We're on the ground for dead!
Oh, come on. You guys weren't answering the calls. Alright, we got water.
Yep, turns out you're skin up friendly.
Hey!
Red, this is red! Red! Same team. Jesus. We got blue